Morning geocachers. I'm here on the walls in the city of York doing a few caches this morning. It's supposed to be a wet Saturday morning, but as you can see behind me, the sun is trying to peek out. I'm about to head on to the next one. Let's get looking. So that's better. So the next one I'm doing is about 400 meters away. I'm going to have to jump off the, well I say jump, go down the steps here and rejoin the walls once we've got over the rivers on the other side there. And down we go. So the rivers in York are currently in flood, and this is Foss Basin. It's a lot higher than it is normally at the moment. So this is St George's Field car park, and as you can see it's mostly underwater at the moment. We're just having so much rain at the moment that it's not getting a chance to subside. The next cache, as I believe, is, well, we're pretty close. Hope you can see that, it looks really dark to me. This is where we rejoin the walls. Now it has just beeped at me, so I know I'm close. Sometimes you find these caches are literally staring you in the face, and this one hasn't been put back properly, so it was a really easy find. It hadn't been well hidden at all. Looks like it might be dry, and I might need the tweezers. If you're new to geocaching, it is handy to always have a pen with you, and I do keep a multi-tool with some tweezers in, because sometimes it helps to get the cache out. And it is dry. Looks like there's two logs in there actually. Doesn't want to play. Here we go. So it looks like it's a spare. Tuck that back in. Alright, job done. I hope you've liked this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down. If you subscribe to the channel, then you'll get a notification in YouTube when you open the app, just to say that I've uploaded a new video. It won't cost you anything. It's just so that you know what I'm up to. Time to return this, along with the next one. There's a few people milling around. I think I'll just wait until they've gone.